Hey guys, so today I'm going to continue with my tasks from yesterday, designing the integration samples for the new SDK and creating tasks for that. Also, maybe if some of the guys finish some tasks, I'm going to do code reviews for that. So let's hear what the team has to say.
Today I'm working on the application that will manage Kafka and Cassandra integration on the node, on the network node, and that's it.
Yesterday I started to create a mock class for the Web3, the Ethereum blockchain communication, and today I will continue to work on it. I found it a bit more hard than I thought, and after that I will start to implement the register identity, and I will need your help, Anatoly, probably, and that's it.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today I started the day with filming the developers for the DailyDAV, and yesterday and today I worked and got to finish EcoMotion Connect event. It's just waiting for final approval for its release, and now I'm gonna edit the DailyDAV, and that's it for now. See you next time.
Hey everybody, Joe Laparta here. Yesterday the main focus was building out a strategy for marketing and then also a little bit of comms as well. Some social, pretty much the full gamut. And today we started off the morning with a good management meeting and then also working on some things as it pertains to the regulatory issues we're looking to tie up here shortly. Thanks everyone, have a great day.